What is up, you guys? If I'm gonna be completely honest, I have no idea what I want to talk about. But it's a beautiful day, and I'm riding home from work, and I thought might as well record something. This lady is not paying any attention. Yeah. Very new to filming videos, so we'll see how this goes. Anyways, we'll just talk about a little bit about myself. How about that? So to start, my name's Drake. I'm 24. As you can tell from what I'm wearing, I'm in the service. I'm in the Navy. I've been in for 3.5 years. Yeah, I'm liking it. Stationed in San Diego. Can't really be mad. I've been stationed in San Diego for the past 3 years. Oh my god, it's so fucking windy. The other half a year was in Great Lakes for boot camp, and then Pensacola for school. Holy! I don't know if you can tell, but my bike is like tilted sideways because of this wind. The wind on the bridge is crazy. I know why. There's nothing obstructing it, but when it's windy, it's kind of terrifying to be riding. It's even worse when there's traffic on the bridge and I lane split, because lane splitting in itself is pretty dangerous, and then when you add wind, it's not a healthy combo. It can get a little dicey. But anyways, I've been in 3.5 years, been stationed here for 3 years, and honestly, I freaking love it. I bought my motorcycle back in November, I believe. I ride a 2016 Yamaha R6, and I love this bike so far. It's almost gotten stolen twice. So, I don't know why that came up, but keep your shit safe, lock it up. I mean, if someone wants it, they're gonna get it. I forgot what it was. Mirrors. Bike didn't come with any mirrors. So I went and got the lane splitter mirrors, and it also has the integrated taillight, the integrated turn signal taillight, just smoked out. I honestly think that's the only thing done to this bike. Oh, and the cube bubble. That's about it. Yeah. But, I don't know. So far I love the bike. I've only had to do one oil change. I bought new tires for it. I have the Pirelli Diablo 3s, I believe. And then I replaced the chain, just kind of like preventative maintenance. I didn't know what the guy before me did. It's got right now 19,000 miles. I think it started out with 16,000. So I'm riding it quite a bit. My daily driver actually broke. I have a, or it didn't break. I broke it. I have a 2008 Subaru WRX hatchback, and I blew out the clutch, and CV axle is no bueno, and oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. CV axle is no bueno, and the power steering rack, I believe, is toast. So this is about the only thing I ride or drive. If I ever needed if it ever rained, I had a buddy who lived right next to me, and he would give me rides, but he just moved, so now I'm kind of screwed. So we'll see if I fix my car, so I have a way to get around. But yeah, that's about me, or yeah, that's about it. It's me and the bike. So yeah, this is the bike. I also have the quad lock on it, and then I took the key out. Big dumb. So they're the headlights, the Blue Demon Eye. They're the KT Moto headlights, and I have it wired up to just this switch. It was an old switch from my old headlights, and the switch that it came with, honestly, I didn't like, so I wired it up to that. So that's the low beams, and then the high beams work just on the handlebar. And also something cool is when you have the blues on, the high beams, you can just kind of flash them. So if there are people not moving out of the way or something, I enjoy it. She's kind of dirty. And then the Leo Vinci full exhaust from the headers back. And as you can see, my broken Subaru that I now lock my bike to. So yeah, that's that.